Per Inside EVs, General Motors is betting big on electric vehicles, regardless of the upcoming U.S. presidential election results. CEO Mary Barra stated that GM will continue its EV plans even if federal subsidies are removed. Barra emphasized that the upcoming Chevy Equinox EV will be more affordable to own than its gasoline counterpart, thanks to savings on fuel and maintenance. Additionally, GM plans to reintroduce the Chevrolet Bolt in 2025, which will be priced even lower than the Equinox. Meanwhile, Volkswagen is facing challenges with its ID.4 electric SUV in the U.S. Sales fell short of expectations, with only 16,400 units sold in the first 3 quarters of 2024, far below the 100,000 target. The ID.4 also faced recalls, including a recent issue where doors could open while driving, affecting nearly 100,000 vehicles. Rumors suggest that Volkswagen's U.S. CEO, Pablo di Si, may be on his way out due to these struggles. In Italy, Stellantis is under fire for neglecting the Fiat brand. The iconic Mirafiori plant, once a symbol of Fiat's strength, has seen production cuts and layoffs due to low demand for the Fiat 500 electric car. Critics argue that Stellantis has shifted focus away from Fiat's Italian roots, leading to a decline in local production and investment. You are listening to UON News.